Alright, welcome back. This is Lenovo Tablet, and the problem of this tablet was not charging. And of course, as you see the problem here, the charging port is broken. Some pins or pads are broken, and some are gone, some are loose. Yeah, so this is the main cause of the problem, and the result of this is, yeah, of course, obviously it was not charging and the battery was dead. And yeah, but this time I would like to show you another way how we can charge the tablet or the battery, yeah, the tablet, and turn it on without using the port. So in this time we tried to convert this into wireless charging. So instead of the port, well, I will still order the port and it still take a while. So this is the best and fast way for me, since I also have another extra wireless charging for this. So we just use this wireless receiver, and we try to put it here. Then after that, after we put it there, we can charge our tablet using wireless charging. Yeah, and this is the easiest way than changing the USB port. And you can use your tablet then as usual, and but without the port. And for data, these days you can use clouds, or put it into drive your data and put it into a computer. Yeah, it also works like that. And also in the next video I will also show how I change the USB port. And yeah, because this time I will still order the port, and I know it will still take a while, but in this way I have already Wi-Fi wireless receiver, charging receiver. So I have it extra from the other phone that I was working on, and since I have this, so I can use this so that the owner of the tablet can use that tablet while we are waiting for the port. So once the port is here, I will tell him to come back and bring his tablet, and then I will put it back. And yeah, I think this is also the same goes with another tablet or another phone, that if the port is broken and you can charge your phone or tablet, then you just convert your phone or tablet into a wireless tablet, and then you can still use it, of course, but you need a charging wireless charger also, of course. And yeah, because changing the port, it's so difficult than maybe from others not, but it's not so difficult, but it's a little bit risky, especially if for beginners or someone who is still learning. So but in this way, making it only wireless, it's not so difficult, and it's working. Yeah, this is the common problem of these USB type C ports. I think because it's not so stable, maybe. Yeah, for me it's the USB, the old version of USB charging port is better than USB-C. But I think there's always either way, there's always pros and cons. So whatever we do, there's always something that we can complain about. Yeah, so if you have any questions or suggestions, maybe please leave a comment below, let me know, so I can work on it also, or I can apply it in my uh, in my way also, how I do things, and I would really appreciate that.
Come back, be with me. I just wanna behold you. Time to say goodbye to your love again. Missing you, I'm missing you. Come to me again. Come on, baby, let it go. Make me fine again. Love is you. Love is you, realize. Make you feel, make you feel, make you feel love again. I need you, girl. Stay here, lady. I need you, girl. Save me, lady. I need you, girl. Baby, come on, baby. Just to my world, talking to my eyes alone. I need you, girl. Stay here, lady. I need you, girl. Save me, lady. I need you, girl. Come on, baby, let's go party. Time to let it go. You are my only you, girl. Baby, girl, 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 girl. Come back, be with me. Come to me again. Come on, baby, let it go. Make me fine again. Love is you, realize. Love is you, realize. Make you feel, make you feel, make you feel, make you feel love again. I need you, girl. Stay here, lady. I need you, girl. Save me, lady. I need you, girl. Baby, come on, baby. Just to my world, talking to my eyes alone. I need you, girl. Stay here, lady. I need you, girl. Save me, lady. I need you, girl. Come on, baby, let's go party. Time to let it go. You are my only you, girl. My baby, girl, 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 girl. Come to me again. Make you find time to understand you. Don't you never ever cry. I'm a missing you. Party time to let it go. 이 밤이 지나가면 널 다시 못 볼 것 같아. 내게 다가와줘. 어서 내게 키스를 해줘. 오늘 이 밤이 내게 너무 소중해. 내게 장난치지 마. 다가와, my baby girl. I need you, girl. Stay here, lady. I need you, girl. Save me, lady. I need you, girl. Stay here, lady. I need you, girl. Save me, lady. I need you, girl. Baby, come on, baby. Just to my world, talking to my eyes alone. I need you, girl. Stay here, lady. I need you, girl. Save me, lady. I need you, girl. Come on, baby, let's go party. Time to let it go. You are my only you, girl. Baby, girl, 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 girl.
Yeah, and here I try to adjust the position of the charging receiver and the charging pad. Now it's in the right position. Now it's charging. Yeah, hope you enjoy it.